my ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. And so for me, it's a very, very unique thing because I have no one guiding me and I'm trying to be upper class, not middle class. Not middle class. Like, I can easily get to $400,000, $500,000 a year. That's easy. I can do that. I can do that this year. I'm trying to become a fucking billionaire. Who do I turn to for that? Even the people that I grew up with, like, that had money, they were getting Escalades for their 16th birthday and they were driving motorcycles to school. North Central was such a unique school. I ain't go to school with no billionaires. I'm from Indianapolis. There's like 3 billionaires in the whole state. And I ain't go to school with none of them. So if I want to be a billionaire, who will teach me that? That's why when people talk about income inequality, or they talk about like billionaires are fucking greedy. It's like they had no one to teach them how to get there. What the fuck are you talking about? They had to learn all that shit on their own. Unless it was passed down to them. Which most of the billionaires I'm thinking about, like Jeff Bezos or Mark Cuban or Jay-Z, even she's on some complete bullshit right now, but even Oprah, they had to learn all that stuff on their own. They had nobody teaching them. And they had nobody teaching them. How can you knock them for making as much money as they possibly did? See, you're so used to someone giving you something, someone giving you a grade, someone giving you a job, someone giving you time off, someone giving you a paycheck, that you feel like that someone gave it to them in some capacity. They had to convince people to buy something. They had to organize the entire infrastructure. They had to execute it. They had to do things like podcasts at 5:38 in the morning on a Tuesday, 5:39 as the clock changes.
Group82music.com.